Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing a home decor haul, specifically affordable home decor, which I know you guys will love. And I've been doing a lot of home decor videos on my channel. I've been sharing home updates in my vlogs and hauls and projects and everything. So I'm going to link a lot of recent home videos in the description box if you are new here. But everything in this video is from Gordmans. If you're not familiar with Gordmans, it's a department store and everything is extremely affordable. They have the best price guarantee. So there is of course home decor, but there are pajamas and stuff for your kitchen and makeup and a little bit of everything. So I will link their store locator in the description box if you guys are not familiar with Gordmans. And I'm just so excited about this stuff. If you guys shop there as well, then let me know what you get and use the hashtag #GotItAtGordmans and they might repost your photo. I just said that weird. They might repost your photo. So thank you to Gordmans for collaborating with me on this video. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's get started. For the first item, I wanted to show you what I found at Target for a significantly higher price. This was $25 from Target, and this was only $13 from Gordmans. When I first saw it at Target, I was thinking, oh, it's probably like $3 or $4 more. No, it was way more than that, so I was so excited. I thought that was a huge price difference, and I thought something like this was perfect for like the hallway or the bathroom, somewhere where I don't want like family photos, because I'm doing a gallery wall in the dining room with family photos. And I just thought this was so cute, and especially for the price, it's like a really nice frame for only $13. I thought that was an amazing deal. For the next item, I have a candle from Burt's Bees. This is Sea Salt Breeze. If you know me, then you know I love like salty scents, whether it's like a margarita and a lime scent or just like summery scents. So I thought Sea Salt Breeze was perfect, and it's a name brand product, Burt's Bees. And it smells amazing. I love how huge this is and how it has 3 wicks on it. And this was only $7.48, and the original price from a different store is $22. So a really big price difference. I cannot wait to, I'm probably going to put this on the coffee table in the living room so I can enjoy it all the time. Smells so good. I have this bowl, and as soon as I saw this, I thought it was so Chad. He's my husband if you guys are new here, and it is smooth on the inside and textured on the outside. He just really loves stuff like this, and as soon as he saw it, he was like, we need that. And it was only $6, so another amazing price. I will probably put this in the living room, whether it's on a shelf or on a coffee table. I thought it was just one of those things that I could use in like a bunch of different places, and something that will be really good to have on hand. And for this next one, I'm not sure where I want to put this, so if you guys have an idea, let me know in the comments. This was $19.99 and it is 3 flowers. I just thought this was so pretty. It definitely feels like something I would have in my house with the pink and the gold. And I just think things like this are really good like filler items. I might put this in the hallway or in the bathroom. And yeah, I'm just not sure. As soon as I saw it, I thought, I don't know where that's going to go, but I know that I want it. So if you guys have ideas, then let me know. And then I found this rug for our back door, and this was $25, and the competitor price is $48, so that's a big difference. And it does have these tassels on the end, which I thought was really cute. For that space, I just wanted something simple and pretty dark in color, because I know I'm going to be walking on it a lot and it's going to get pretty dirty, but I think something like this will hide that, so that was a really good find. I also found this vase, and I'm one of those people, if I find something and I really like it but I'm not sure where it's going to go, then I will buy it and store it away, and eventually I will find the perfect spot for it, and this is totally one of those items. And this was only $13.98 and the competitor price is $40. What I really loved about this was all of the texture on it. It's simple in color and sleek, but it has so much texture, and I'm such a texture person, so this was 100% something I needed. I also found these shelves for the kitchen. We've been looking for shelving to put right next to the higher cabinets for the longest time, and I just really loved these. They're simple and pretty, and this was $30 and the competitor price is $60. And if you guys are following all of my home decor videos, then this will probably be the next update I share with you. I also found the perfect vase for the next home decor project I plan on doing. This was only $13. I found similar things online for significantly higher prices that I didn't want to buy, so I was really happy when I came across this guy. And I'm showing you guys right now a project from one of my recent home decor videos that I did. I wanted to do the same thing in a larger scale in my kitchen, so I picked up this guy with a few silk flowers, and I plan on recreating the same thing for in there. And that is everything for today's home decor haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to subscribe and thumbs up if you did, and make sure to click on the bell if you would like to be notified whenever a new video is posted. I've been posting a lot of videos lately. I hope that you guys have been loving them, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!